bathroom. Sorry if it's a little echoey. I posted on my Instagram stories that I keep seeing all of these jeans that are being bleached. Like one leg is this color and the other leg is bleached. So I decided to give it a try with this old pair of jeans that I have. These are from the Gap. They're really old. I'm gonna try it on those because I really don't care. And this is crazy, but this is what I've been seeing it done with, is the Clorox bleach, this like toilet bowl cleaner, because it's like a gel. And I'm gonna do it in my actual shower because I do not want to get bleach anywhere. Even though most of my bathroom is white, I still don't want to like ruin anything because sometimes bleach could turn stuff yellow. So I'm gonna do it in the shower, but I will show you like a sped up version of it, and let's hope that they come out looking good. I only saw them use this. I really didn't watch. I should have probably watched further to see how else it goes, but I think I'm going to do the right leg bleached. So we're gonna do this whole leg. I'm deciding if I'm going to leave the pocket blue and just do the whole thing back and front. I think I'm literally gonna do the whole leg and just go down. I do think they tape it up, so I might have to get some tape and make sure that it doesn't get on this side, but we'll see. Maybe I could do it without that. We'll see. Here we go. Show you. This is like the after. I'm not sure how I feel, but I gotta like put them on and style them and stuff. But I did record the whole process of how I did it. So I think I would do it with a lighter colored pair of jeans. I thought I would like the darker, but if anybody does do it, I think I would do a lighter wash and then just go like lighter. And look at the back. I wouldn't have gone so light. I like the way this part looks. That I paired up with these jeans. They're growing on me. I think I was a little hesitant at first. There's probably a few things that I would do. I think I would do a lighter wash blue. I think I would make sure I got something a little bit lighter. And then I might not go as light on this side. I like the way the blue here looks. So I might try it again on another pair a little bit later, but those are the kind of things that I would do. Also, I didn't show it, but I did throw the machine on cold just to wash out the bleach and dried them on low heat. So this is how they turned out exactly after I did all of that. So overall, not too bad. I like them, they're growing on me. I don't know how much I'll wear them. It's hard for me to get used to like the two different sides. I don't know, it just feels uneven. But it's a fun look. I hope you guys like it. Comment below which ones, which style you liked the most. And if there's another DIY that you want to see me do. I don't do a lot of them, but they are fun to do. And that's it. If I do another pair, go to my Instagram at Russo. You'll see maybe a pair of shorts that I might do that are a little bit lighter, and this tone won't be as white, so kind of it'll blend a little bit more. But this is pretty drastic and a really good way to see how they look. I hope you guys like that. Make sure you leave your comments, subscribe, like this, and I will see you soon. Bye.